All right, that's the breaking development. US President Donald Trump has just signed an executive order imposing an additional 25% tariff on India in response to his continued purchase of Russian oil. That's the big breaking development, which means India is now going to be paying a tariff to the tune of 50% to the United States of America because of the penalty that has been imposed by the US government led by US President Donald Trump for purchasing Russian oil. Sharad Kohli is on the telecast. Me, Sharad. 24 hours was the window that had been given by the US President Donald Trump. He's imposed an additional 25% tariff on India. How should India be responding to this?
भारत से जो सामान जाता है बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है, लेदर है, फुटवेयर है, टेक्सटाइल्स है, मशीनरी है, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी है, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स हैं, केमिकल्स हैं। मुझे लग रहा है उनको अपने लिए बहुत बड़ी समस्या खड़ी होने वाली है। भारत दूसरे विकल्प ढूंढ लेगा। भारत को कोई चिंता करने की मैं आश्वासन देता हूं कि उनके लिए पूरी दुनिया व्यापार करने के लिए है। पर अमेरिका एक होता है अपने पैर पर कुल्हाड़ी मारना, वो पैर ही कुल्हाड़ी पर देकर मार रहे हैं।
All right, I'll get Ambassador Basuti Mukherjee into the conversation right now. Ambassador Mukherjee, 25% additional tariffs on India. How should India respond?
Well, I think that this is going to rebound back on United States completely, because what it amounts to, therefore, is that he is imposing 51% tariffs on India. Whereas he has bypassed China, which imports much more Russian oil, and which is supposed to be, according to the Americans, the adversary of United States, and is supposed to be a threat, which is why the Americans in the first place instituted Quad and AUKUS, etc. In other words, there is a complete contradiction between telling India that we are like United States strategic ally in this part of the world, that we are here to ensure rule-based order in the Indo-Pacific, that we are supposed to be cooperating with the West on different issues, and at the same time imposing 25% extra tariffs on Indian goods while giving China breathing space so that he can make a trade deal with China. I'm afraid to say, Megha, that this is going to do irreparable damage to the India-US strategic partnership on one hand, and on the people-to-people relationship on the other, quite apart from the fact that he may wish to figure out that since United States is not our biggest trading partner, and that we are looking for alternative markets elsewhere, and a lot of Indian goods on which he is putting 50% tariffs sell extremely well in the American market, including for his MAGA base, for instance, pharma, etc. And they are not going to be pleased with him if these products become completely unsaleable. Yes, economists say that we might take a hit of up to 0.5% on our economy, but I'm sure we will be able to survive at 6% rate of growth and come out of it. It is for Donald Trump to figure out whether this is what he really wants to do to his so-called closest ally in this part of the world.
Right.